Nabu Carson. Today we are mixing slime by myself. Just kidding, you know I know my big sister. She's gonna be in this video helping me. And so we're recording us making a slime, but she deleted the video on accident.
Yeah. So I'm gonna be mixing slime. And we made this blue one, this purple one, and this pink one. So, and Carson wanted to make another video about slime, so I decided that we should just mix it, even though this is probably a stupid idea, but, So, we'll mix this one.
Oh yeah, and guys,
this is what it looks like before.
And guys, if I get up to 10,
and this one.
If I get up to 10 subscribers, we will make glow-in-the-dark slime. And if I reach 20 subscribers, we'll make
a couple of stuff.
Yeah, we'll make a couple of stuff.
Yeah. And yeah, so now we're gonna mix the blue one,
the pink one, and the purple one. All in one.
So yeah, you can mix it now. Yeah, mix it. You gotta go fast.
Okay. I can't do it. Yeah. I get this.
So
I just can't wait till I can play with it.
Yeah. Oh, I think that's the end of the video, guys.
Hope you guys like and subscribe. So, bye.